Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting right now? Check settings about phone to know model and Android version because options vary. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure you have battery or power. Updates may be required. Now open settings and go to apps or home screen settings. Don't pause. You need to find the launcher or Samsung free/discover panels. These are the usual ad sources. Follow the next steps to disable them and adjust app permissions so ads stop appearing. You'll now remove the common ad sources. First, long press the home screen, tap home screen settings, and turn off Samsung Free or Discover. That kills feed ads. Next, open Settings Apps, find apps pushing ads, often Samsung members, whether or third parties. Tap Notifications and Permissions, then disable promotional notifications and unnecessary permissions. Also go to Default Apps and ensure a clean launcher is set. If an adware launcher is default, finish by uninstalling or disabling any apps you flagged. Then clear cache and data for those apps to remove lingering ad settings. Install a trusted launcher from the Play Store and set it as default, and run Google Play Protect plus any system updates to patch vulnerabilities. If ads keep appearing, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the cause. Remove recently installed apps until ads stop. One troubleshooting tip: if safe mode stops ads, the culprit is an app you installed. Uninstall it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.